Thinking about solar power but wondering if it'll mess with your natural gas bill? Like, here's the deal. Solar energy helps cut down your electric bill, but if you're heating your home with natural gas, solar won't touch that gas bill at all. So, if you want to get the most out of solar power, start by checking how much electricity your home actually uses every month. That way, you know how big your solar system should be. Next, keep in mind that solar panels generate electricity during the day, so if you're home mostly at night, think about getting a battery system or stick with net metering to get credit for extra power you send back to the grid. Also, make sure your roof gets enough sunlight and isn't shaded by trees or buildings. You want those panels soaking up rays. Don't forget to check for local rebates or tax credits that can save you some cash when installing solar. If your heating is gas-powered, consider switching to an electric heat pump if you want to lower both your electric and gas bills through solar. Regularly cleaning and maintaining your panels keeps them working efficiently too. And lastly, always get quotes from multiple installers so you're not overpaying and are getting a system that fits your needs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar power is thinking it will reduce their natural gas bill. That's just not how it works because solar covers electricity only. Another common problem is sizing the system wrong. Some folks get panels that are too small or way too big, which wastes money or doesn't save enough. The third issue is ignoring how much shade affects panel output. Trees or nearby buildings can seriously cut down how much power your system makes. To fix these, remember solar is strictly for electric savings, calculate your energy use carefully before buying, and pick a spot for your panels with good sun exposure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work, making sure everyone gets the right match for their home improvement needs.